Hi, I'm Jake from OAL, and today we're at one of our fantastic clients, the Ilchester Cheese Company. This is a big supplier of cheese. They've got the big brands. They've got Mexicana, they've got Jarlsberg. They're exporting to 20 different countries. They manufacture for all the different retailers, and we're here today to show you guys how we've helped them automate.
OAL systems massively helped us to increase efficiency on the production line. The example of our case packer on our slicing line that went in allowed us to do nearly 50% speed increases and capacity increases on that production line, which at 200 packs a minute, operators simply can't check the packs individually, which they were having to do previously. We've got 200 odd SKUs, 75 formats, 10 production lines. We export to 21 countries around the world, along with supplying food service, B2B, and all of the UK retailers and discounters.
Before automation, we carried out checks manually by operators. This includes visual inspection of packaging and labels. Documentation was completed on paper, making the tracking and auditing more time-consuming.
From a prevention point of view, looking at the industry standard, the recall market is huge, and the biggest cause of recall is because of allergen not being declared on packaging or the packaging being wrong, and therefore from a control measure point of view, as a safeguard, this is the best system around to help us to fulfill the compliance.
And we put a big investment of £1 million into our slicing line, which is one of our largest SKUs. But it went from manually packing into boxes by hand with 4 operators to then having a machine doing that completely automated. So we needed a way to check all the date codes, the labels on the pack, the films, and make sure that every pack going out was of a high quality and met all the safety standards needed.
The system works by barcode scanning the pack so that we know we have the right film on, by barcode scanning the label and making sure that's the correct label, and then also looking at the date codes to ensure they're correct and legible so that when we pack the product, it goes out to the customer in a usable form.
The biggest benefit of using the OAL system has been the safety net that we have and the simplification really of all of the traceability and paperwork systems that go with that we've got that peace of mind there, and when it comes to an audit we can pull up all of the records, individual pack shops going back multiple years at the touch of a button.
The traceability exercise might take us previously around 3 hours, whereas now it's reduced to 10-15 minutes, if that.
We've seen our productivity increase using the system. We find that the checks now take 2 to 3 minutes shorter than they used to because everything is on the line and we don't have to walk around the factory to go and check things in different parts of the room.
In my opinion, the system is really easy to use, so you need to just simply follow the instruction. It's nothing complicated.
If you'd like some advice on your automation journey, we've got plenty of experts that can guide you on the best technology, robotics, automation to automate your food business.